Hi guys, I'm Drishti Sukheshwala. So I think this is going to be my first video on this channel. I just gave my Indigo interview like 2 days ago on 9th at Hotel Residency, Mumbai, because I'm based in Mumbai. So yeah, I think this video is probably going to be about how my interview went and basically what happened. Maybe I'll add in a few tips, but I'll definitely make a separate video about, proper tips and tricks and strategies on how to go about your interview. So yeah, let's get started. My interview was at 9 o'clock. The interview timings were 9 a.m. to 12 a.m. You could basically walk in anytime between 9 a.m. to 12 a.m. So I reached there at 7:30. I have no idea why. I reached there at 7:30. I wanted to be there by 8:30 to be punctual, but I reached there way early. So, and to my surprise, there were already like 5 people standing outside the gate. I went inside and there was a waiting area. Before we got into the waiting area, they basically took our resume, and according to how early we came, they gave us a batch number. So my batch number was 2 because there were 5 people already before me, so they were batch number 1. So my batch number was 2. 2 is my lucky number, by the way. So then we went and sat in the waiting area, all of us, and I was seated in the front row. Let me give you a backstory about my preparation for the interview. I was not prepared. I did not prepare at all. My mom took a mock interview of mine, that's all. Like one night before the interview. Other than that, I was not prepared. I did not prepare. I did look up videos, which is why now I decided to start a channel of my own and make videos like this. But I did watch a few videos, of those videos that cracked my Indigo interview in my first attempt and all that. So now that I did too, why not make a video? So I've never given any interview before this. So not only cracking my Indigo interview in my first attempt, I'm not even given any airline interview. Okay, this was my first interview of my life. Okay, and I cracked it in the first attempt. So I think that's an achievement. Honestly, that's an achievement. Sorry. I already have makeup. I think I do decent makeup. But I did not know how to do a sleek back bun. So I tried it once, but I failed. So I got this hairnet, but a night before the interview, I lost it. I could not find it. And I was really panicking. I tried to look it up on Blinkit, Zepto, Instamart. I could not find a hairnet. I started panicking. But on the day of the interview, I did something. I don't know what I did. It looked very shabby and terrible from the back, but it was still alright from the front. So anyways, I don't think details are required. But I was looking presentable, but my hair was not presentable. And I think there were far more presentable girls from Northeast India and all of that who were very well dressed. Yeah, the HR arrives at 9 o'clock. She came at 9 o'clock and she gave us a briefing. Everybody else was coming from far off places, so they were getting ready at the venue itself. And so the HR comes at 9 o'clock. She gives us a briefing about how the interview is going to go about. She introduces herself and all of that. After that, she starts with batch 1. So every batch had approximately 10 to 15 people. Depends I think. So there were 10 to 15 people per batch. Batch 1 goes. First round was group discussion, GD round. So it's a group discussion round, but it's not a group discussion first off. So the first batch goes, and from 10 to 15 people per batch that she takes at once, there are only maybe 2 people get selected, maybe just 1, maybe none. And she asked each person a different question. So nobody asks the same question. It's not like she asked one question and all of you answer. Each person gets a different question, and you get 2 minutes to answer. You just say any 2 lines that you have to answer, and you say it, and based on that, she either rejects you and you're done, or you move ahead. So then it was my turn, and all of us were sitting, batch 2, and she had all of our resumes in her hand. So then she asked me, Drishti, what are your strengths? When I tell you, I really messed up. I was blank. I was mentally prepared, but I had not actually practiced. That was, I don't know, maybe it was somewhere or the other, it was actually a good thing. I'll get into that later, maybe in this video, maybe on the next video, but yeah, I'll get into that later. But I was not prepared. She had my resume in her hand, and I didn't know what to say. I had an idea about my strengths and all that and what I was going to say, but I fumbled. I was blank. Because she had my resume in my hand, I forgot what strengths I had written in my resume. Anyways, I said something. I said adaptability, this and that, but I was still panicking. So my last line was basically, and all of the cliche requirements that you need for cabin crew. Very next second, I was like, Drishti, what the hell did you just say? Who says that? Who says cliche in a professional interview? Who says all the cliche requirements that you need for being a cabin crew? She asked me my strengths, and I said all the cliche requirements, I have that. Anyways, but then she goes ahead, and I was like, Drishti, हो गया तेरा, तू तो जा रही है, तू फर्स्ट राउंड में ही जा रही है, तूने बहुत गंदा मैसअप कर दिया है, तू निकल रही है, तो सबको खुद को डिसअपॉइंट कर दिया, सबको डिसअपॉइंट कर दिया, खत्म तेरा फर्स्ट राउंड में ही. 2 लाइन बोला था, उसमें भी तूने हक दिया. Anyways, तो I was like, okay, I'm done. But then she goes ahead and says, Drishti, then she takes some other girl's name and she says, both of y'all can stay back. The rest of y'all, I'm sorry, but better luck next time. Y'all have been rejected. I was like, did she just take my name? Because I really messed up. It was not even like I was confident in what I said. I messed up. I really messed up. But then she selected me. So first round was clear. And after my first round, I was like, theek hai. I think I know why she selected me. Maybe it was because everybody else had broken English. And even though maybe what I said didn't make a lot of sense, but I still have fluent English. That's what I think. I think I have fluent English, which is why she selected me. And everybody's answers, I'll get into that later. I think I'm gonna save all of these tips and all of that for another video. So yeah, I cleared the first interview. The first round, and suddenly I got a boost of confidence. I'm like, yes, Srishti. When you didn't expect to clear the first round, you did. You're gonna ace the second round, and I did. So by the time it was my second round, there were already like 200 people there. 200 people. So the second round is communication round or virtual round, whatever you call it. So basically, there's a room, and they're in that room, and there's a laptop, and one by one there's another HR on the laptop screen, and she will ask you questions. She does not have your resume. She will just ask you general questions and you have to answer. So again, I was second, lucky number, and so again I was like, हाँ भाई, कुछ तो something is up. So then it was my turn. The first girl, I was stunned. She was so on point with all her answers. I was like, okay, there is tough competition. So there was tough competition, but I made it. So what happened is, in my communication round, she asked me questions about my family. She asked me questions about my previous work experience. Then she asked me questions about why I left my previous work experience and decided to do cabin crew. She asked me about what inspired me. Then she asked me about what else? Yeah, then to check my Hindi. So all of these questions were asked in English. Then she asked me, just to check my Hindi, she asked me, तुमने कल रात को खाना क्या खाया? So she asked that to everyone. I think she had a proper format about what to ask and how to go about. But yeah, so she asked me कल रात को तुमने खाना क्या खाया? तो मैंने बोला मैंने राजमा चावल खाया, और कुछ नहीं, वो एक स्टेबल खाना है जो मुझे काफ़ी ज़्यादा पसंद है, मेरी माँ को भी बनाना बहुत पसंद है. तो that is just to check your Hindi. So because again, Hindi is also a requirement. Then my second round was also cleared, and before she announces that these people have cleared the second round, there was a long waiting time. When she comes and announces my name, and two other girls were also selected from the second round. The third round was BMI. They check your BMI. That is what I was majorly concerned about, because I was about 3 kgs underweight. So your BMI should range between 18 to 22, and my BMI was, I think, around 16. I don't remember very well, 16 or 17, something like that. So your BMI is checked, body mass index. That's checked based on your age, height and weight. So I'm 18, my height is 162 and my weight is 45. So according to my age and my height, my 162 centimeters. So according to my age and my height, my weight should have been about 47, 48 actually, something like that, and I was unweight. If you're worried about scars, so I don't think you have to be worried, because this other girl who was also selected from communication round with me, she had a lot of scars, big ones over here, okay, on hand, visible area. She had scars, but she was still cleared in BMI round for some reason. So if you're worried about scars, it doesn't matter, just give it a shot. By that time, there were approximately 400 people, 400 contestants that had come, because up till 1 o'clock people were walking in, even though the timing was 9 o'clock to 12 o'clock, till 1 o'clock people were walking in for the interview. So it was crowded like anything. And she was taking interviews so fast because she wanted to finish all the people who came. So she was taking 2 batches at once also, like 20 people at once. She's tired of asking the same questions. So she does not really pay attention to answers. So if you're just going to say something boring which everybody's going to say, it's not really going to make her want to choose you. So maybe she will not even hear you out completely, or she will not listen. Because many a times in these batches she didn't select anyone from those batches. Even if there were 20 people, she didn't select anyone. All 20 rejected. So my point is that come early and get into your first batch, second batch, third batch, up to maybe the 10th batch. She'll still, her mind will be fresh, right? She'll be in, मैं तो हिंदी में बात करने वाली थी, हिंदी में बात करते, राइट? हाँ, तो एटलीस्ट उसका माइंड थोड़ा फ्रेश रहेगा. तो फ्रेश रहेगा तो एटलीस्ट वो ठीक से तुम्हारा आंसर को सुन पाएगी ना, तभी तो फिर जज कर पाएगी. तो वो हुआ. ये मैं फर्स्ट राउंड की बात कर रही हूँ बारे में. तो मेरा फिर BMI के रिजल्ट आने तक एटलीस्ट 3 घंटा लग गया था. तो 3 घंटा होने के बाद फिर भाई हम लोग तो बहुत एंटिसिपेशन हो रहा था हमें. तो बाय द वे मैंने एक लड़की से दोस्ती की जो मेरे कॉलेज की थी. तो वी वर इन द सेम कॉलेज, एंड वो मुझे कम्युनिकेशन राउंड में मिली. आई टोल्ड यू राइट, वो द गर्ल बिफोर मी, हर आंसर वॉज ब्रिलियंट. सो आई एम टॉकिंग विद दैट गर्ल. शी वॉज फ्रॉम द सेम कॉलेज एज माइन. So we became friends and all of that, and we discussed tough competition, but yeah, she's a great person. I really expected her to actually get in. I thought, ये तो जाएगी ही जाएगी, she's gonna get in, but she didn't. So again, I'll tell you the reasons in my next video. So what happened is then the HR comes and she says after 3 hours of waiting, हाँ, बोलती है कि अभी जितने भी लोग ये रूम में हैं, you guys have cleared BMI round, now you are final round. भाई 3 घंटा मुझे इतना anticipation हो रहा था ना, because BMI round I was mostly worried about BMI round because even on the Indigo website, hiring website and the career website, it's written clearly BMI has to range between 18 and 22. Underweight and overweight people are not accepted, and I was underweight. But surprisingly उन्हें वो जाने दिया, मेरा जानते. So if you're underweight, तो overweight का मुझे नहीं पता. But if you're underweight, तो फिर I think थोड़ा बहुत जाने दे देते हैं. If you're good, because वेट तो गेन हो ही जाएगा, मतलब इवेंचुअली हो ही जाएगा, बिकॉज अभी ट्रेनिंग भी है 3 महीने का, ये वो, तो फिर वेट तो गेन हो ही जाएगा. ऑब्वियसली कीप ट्रैक ऑफ इट, बट हो जाएगा. तो आई थिंक इफ अंडरवेट, डोंट वरी अबाउट BMI टू मच. ऑब्वियसली वर्क ऑन इट, टेक इट सीरियसली, बट या यू डोंट हैव टू मेक दैट एज अ रीजन नॉट टू अटेंड द इंटरव्यू. सो या, सो देन उन्होंने बोला कि हाँ इतने लोग तुम लोग ने BMI राउंड कंप्लीट कर लिया, नाउ यू आर ऑन द फाइनल राउंड ऑफ आवर इंडिगो इंटरव्यू. एंड ऐसा बोल के फिर वो चली गई. एंड एक दूसरी HR सर आए थे, ठीक है, एक सर आए थे, खाली 15 मिनट के आए थे वो. तो वो आए एंड देन उन्होंने हमारा इंटरव्यू लिया फाइनल राउंड का. तो आई वाज लाइक दृष्टि अभी तो फाइनल राउंड में आ गई है, अभी फाइनल राउंड में तो यू कांट मैस अप. इतनी दूर आके अगर तू फिर रिजेक्ट हो गई तो फिर ये तो बहुत दुखी की बात हो जाएगी. बिकॉज एवरीबडी अराउंड मी वाज क्राइंग एवरी टाइम they got rejected in every round. They were crying because there are hundreds and thousands of people who are going to come. 400 तक तो मुझे याद था कि 400 contestants आए थे. उसके बाद तो मैं काउंट ही भूल गई. तो एटलीस्ट 1000 लोग थे उधर. तो एटलीस्ट 1000 लोग थे उधर आए हुए टू गिव दैट इंटरव्यू. और सब रिजेक्ट हुए जा रहे हैं, सब रोए जा रहे हैं. आज देखो तो कोई ना कोई रो रहा है. तो इट इज़ अ वेरी स्ट्रेसफुल एटमॉस्फेयर. भाई इतना तुम्हारा हार्ट बीट बढ़ जाएगा ना भाई, इतना बीपी बढ़ जाएगा तुम्हारा. सब स्ट्रेस में हैं, सब रो रहे हैं. वो पूरा माहौल ही ऐसा है ना भाई कि तुम खुद भी पैनिक करना चालू कर दोगे. ठीक है, तो फिर जस्ट मेक श्योर यू डोंट. सो दैट इज़, आई डोंट नो हाउ यू कैन डू दैट, बट हाँ कर लेना बस. तो हाँ, तो फिर एनीवेज, तो फिर लास्ट राउंड के लिए दूसरे एक HR सर आए थे. तो फिर वो सर ने हमारा फाइनल राउंड लिया. एंड फाइनल राउंड के लिए आई थिंक अप्रॉक्सीमेटली 20 लोग बचे थे. मैं बैचेज में डिवाइड करने के बाद मैं वापस से सेकेंड बैच में ही थी. हाँ, मैं अभी मुझे रियलाइज मैं वापस से सेकेंड बैच में थी. लकी नंबर. एनीवेज, तो वापस से मैं सेकेंड बैच में थी. एंड फिर हम लोग अंदर गए. हम लोग 10 लोग थे पर बैच, 10 या 10 से कम लोग थे. तो हम लोग गए एंड ही हैड अ रेज्यूमे इन हिज हैंड एंड ही आस्क्ड अस, basically asked us to introduce ourselves. Then after introducing ourselves, he asked us who's your role model and why. So I was, I think, 6th or 7th in the line. So बहुत लोग ने आंसर कर लिया मेरे पहले. तो नहीं 6th 7th नहीं थी, 4th कुछ तो थी मैं. ठीक है, तो स्टार्टिंग में नहीं थी और एंडिंग में नहीं थी, बीच में कहीं थी. तो फिर सब ने बोला अपना अपना. फिर मेरी बारी आई एंड मैंने भी इंट्रोड्यूस किया खुद को. तो आई थिंक आई हैव what I've written. Maybe I'll put that in the next video or something. Oh, I didn't tell you guys what I was wearing. So I'll show you my interview outfit. यहाँ पे maybe see, this was what I was wearing. It must be on the screen. I'll just put it up here. This was what I was wearing for my interview. तो हाँ, so then बहुत complications हुई. Oh, I missed one thing. So for the BMI round, I applied my brains and I was like, if you want to increase your weight even by a little bit, दृष्टि को करना पड़ेगा अभी. You have to do it. You have to give even this one shot, you have to give it your all. So मेरा BMI राउंड होने से पहले ना, जब मेरे पहले बाकी लोग का BMI हो रहा था, तो मैंने 2 लीटर पानी गट लिया. लाइक एटलीस्ट वो 2 लीटर पानी पीने से मेरा थोड़ा तो ऐसे वेट गेन हो ही सकता है, अफेक्ट तो होगा ना, बिकॉज इवन वाटर वेट काउंट्स. तो मैंने बाकी कंटेस्टेंट्स का भी पानी पी लिया, बाहर जितना भी पानी रखा था मैंने वो भी गट लिया. जितना पानी पी सकती थी मैंने पी लिया. एंड then I went for my weight checking. But at least I think that made at least a little bit of difference. So if you're underweight and you're going for BMI and worried about that, just before बहुत सारा खाना भी लेके आना, केले लेके आना एंड हाँ केला खा लेना और पानी भी बहुत सारा पी लेना. राइट बिफोर, पहले मैं पी लेना बिकॉज फिर तुम्हें वॉशरूम आ जाएगी. बट पहले जस्ट बिफोर यू गो फॉर BMI राउंड, उसके पहले बहुत सारा खाना खा लेना और पानी भी पी लेना. ठीक है, तो मैंने वो किया एंड आई थिंक दैट मेड डिफरेंस. एनीवेज, बैक टू द लास्ट राउंड. क्या है ये, ऐसे क्यों निकल रहा है? Anyways, so 2 of them said their role model was Priyanka Chopra because of how, I don't know, they mentioned something about feminism and they mentioned something about how she carries herself and this and that. Good answer. Rest of them, everybody said मेरा रोल मॉडल मेरे भाई है, मेरी बहन है, मेरी माँ है. एंड ऑनेस्टली मैंने भी वही सोच के गई थी बिकॉज आई डोंट हैव एनी, दैट्स व्हाट आई सेड, आई डोंट हैव एनी this thing, famous figure is my role model. Even my role model is my mom only. for this reason, and मैंने ऐसे बोला. But see, one thing that I added was you also have to, this is one tip I'm adding here only, so make sure you make a few friends during your whole interview process, and also make sure you remember their names. Not only do you remember the names of the HR, because when you take their name, when you say good morning, their name, sir, ma'am. Okay, so when you mention somebody's name, it makes it more clear that oh, you're actually listening. You give them a, what's the word, I forgot the word, but yeah, तो हाँ, तो फिर not just HR के नाम, but also मेक श्योर कि तुम जितने भी दोस्त बनाए उनका भी नाम याद रखो, बिकॉज दैट्स व्हाट आई अप्लाइड दैट. सो इन माई लास्ट राउंड इंटरव्यू, वो जो मेरी सेम कॉलेज की दोस्त थी जो मुझे मिल गई थी, तो उसने अपना आंसर दिया एंड उसने भी सिमिलर आंसर. उसने वही बोला कि इवन माई रोल मॉडल इज आशी, सॉरी, इवन माई रोल मॉडल इज माई मदर. तो फिर मैंने ऐसा बोला कि जस्ट लाइक आशी सेड, आशी का नेम, तो मैंने ऐसा बोला कि जस्ट लाइक आशी सेड, इवन माई रोल मॉडल इज माई मॉम एंड आई डोंट हैव एनी फेमस फिगर. तो आई थिंक even that counts, little things count, because then they notice na ki हाँ, she has listening skills and she was listening to, she was paying attention to what the other person said. So listen to everybody's answer, don't just think about, so when everybody else is answering, तुम अपना आंसर मन में रिवाइज ना करें एंड बाकी लोग के आंसर पे भी फोकस करें. आई थिंक आई शुड स्पीक इन इंग्लिश. सो ऑल्सो फोकस ऑन अदर पीपल्स आंसर, बिकॉज that will show that you're actually paying attention. So what happened is after that, after everyone gave their answers, he said thank you, you all can leave now. So then we got up and we went back to the waiting area, and then I got up and I left, and the people who were before and after me, that friend of mine, she said that कि वो HR ने तुम्हारा resume अलग से side में रख दिया, दृष्टि, you're definitely selected. I was like, I'm not going to be too sure. Everybody was so sure. They were like कि हाँ दृष्टि was selected, तेरा resume अलग से रखा. But I was like, I'm not going to be too sure. फिर नहीं हुई तो फिर obviously फिर वो पूरा happiness ruin हो जाएगा ना, तो फिर मैं बोली नहीं, sure नहीं होंगी. तो but everybody was saying कि हाँ भाई तू तो है. तो then what happened is my resume was given to the BMI, the girl who took my BMI. She gave it back to the HR. So and the HR saw. तो obviously मेरा BMI कम था ना, मतलब my weight was less compared to my BMI उसके हिसाब से. तो 3.3 kg समथिंग, तो कुछ कम था. तो but then I overheard, तो the BMI lady, she said कि she's underweight, you know this and that. तो then I overheard the HR से कि no, she's really good, I want her. तो फिर ये मैंने सुना है, हाँ, फिर मुझे सेटिस्फैक्शन मिली कि हाँ भाई हो गई सिलेक्टेड. बिकॉज then even despite me having me being underweight, he said that no, she's really good, I want her, was impressive. मतलब impressive for me. It was an indication कि हाँ, basically I impressed him. So yeah, my answer is impressive. So what happened is after that he called me and he said, you know, he called 4 names something, and he asked us to sit, and the initial HR, she said that you all have been selected, and so the 4 of us, 2 of them out of the 4 of us were sent for PhD, 22 days PhD or something like that, and 2 of us including me were directly selected. ये मेरा एम था कि भाई इवन दो आई न्यू आई वुड क्रैक द इंटरव्यू, यू नो, कोई तो टाइम मैं क्रैक कर ही लूँगी, बट मैंने ये नहीं सोचा फर्स्ट इंटरव्यू में कर लूँगी. और मैंने सोचा था फर्स्ट इंटरव्यू में कर भी लूँगी तो मुझे PhD तो नहीं चाहिए. इट्स नॉट अ बैड थिंग, बट अगेन इट्स नॉट एन एश्योरिटी दैट हैव गॉटन. एंड प्लस एक्सटेंड हो जाता है, तुम्हारा लेट हो जाता है फिर ट्रेनिंग, ये वो. तो फिर इतना मेरा शॉर्ट है कि भाई होना है तो मुझे डायरेक्ट सेलेक्ट होना है, एंड आई एम केपेबल इनफ टू गेट डायरेक्टली सेलेक्टेड, एंड आई गॉट डायरेक्टली सेलेक्टेड. So yeah, nothing. After that we all signed a declaration form. That's it. So that was basically what happened. I think ये वीडियो बहुत ज़्यादा लंबा हो गया, तो but हाँ, ये basically पूरा हुआ था during my interview process. Yeah, and I think I did great. I'll make another video about everything that you need to know. That will be a separate video. This was just, शायद मैंने वीडियो अपने लिए बना लिया ताकि मैं बाद में रेफर कर पाऊँ, but हाँ. So see you in the next video. Bye. My next video will probably be about medical. मैं अभी ही बना लूँगी मेडिकल्स के बारे में. मैंने अभी जस्ट मेडिकल लेके आया, तो हाँ मैं वो बना लूँगी. Bye guys.